Hey there, welcome to Launch Your Small Business Website, a step-by-step guide with Divi and WordPress. I'm Jerry, and I'm super excited to be your guide on this journey to building an awesome website for your business. Now, I know starting a website can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. This course is designed to make it simple, fun, and doable. Even if you've never built a website before, we're going to walk through everything step by step. In this course, we're diving deep into WordPress, the powerhouse behind so many websites on the web, from setting up WordPress on your computer to exploring the dashboard and understanding how themes and plugins work. You'll learn it all, but it doesn't stop there. We'll also be working with Divi, Elegant Themes. It's an incredible tool that allows you to build websites pretty fast. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. So if you're someone who loves customizing things, Divi is going to be your best friend. You'll create beautiful websites without touching a single line of code. Plus, we're going to take it a step further. We're going to use AI to generate stunning websites and layout. Yep, you heard it right. You'll learn how to craft your design prompts and let AI do some of the heavy lifting. And then we'll fine-tune everything to match your vision. By the end of this course, you'll have a fully customized professional website ready to go live. And I'll be there with you, guiding you through everything from setting up the websites, testing the contact forms, to hitting the go live button. And here's the fun part. I've set up a Discord group just for you where you can ask questions, share progress, and also connect with others who are taking the course. I'll be active in there. So if you need help, just ask the question. Just come into the Discord group and I'll be there to help you. Whether you're launching a website for your small business, freelancing, or just want to learn a new skill, you're in the right place. So let's jump in and start building something great together. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started.